Hello everyone, welcome to ViTech Talks. As part of this video, we are going to talk about how to run LLMs in local machine using Postman or Thunder client. So we have already discussed about what is LLM and what are the different models which it is available now. And also we have seen the setup. Okay, so how we can download the Ollama and how we can pull the code and run the models. Now we are going to use Postman or Thunder client. It's like how to run with APIs. Okay, how to run with APIs. So before that, so what we are doing, see here, Ollama run. So what is the model you are going to run? Just click on this Ollama download, go to models and type Ollama. Sorry, Llama. So I want to run this model. Okay, so Llama 3.2. So if you want to run this model, so what we have done earlier, so Llama run the model name. Okay, so this is how you can run. Just you can type this and you can run this. Okay, so hi. So it's like how ChatGPT is going to work, the same way it is going to work. Now I want to try this as an API. So here you can see, so this is the curl. Okay, so this is the curl. Now I want to run this. Okay, if you want to run this, so what you need to do is you need to install either Postman or VS Code. So I have already explained how to download and install VS Code. I have given the link in the video description too. If you want to download even, so what you can do, you can go to VS Code. Just click on this very first link and click on this 64. Okay, so that you will get one software, get it downloaded into your downloads folder and just give double click. Okay, now once it is downloaded, so what you need to do, just open the VS Code. If you go to extensions, just type Thunder client. Okay, so it is going to work as like a Postman. If you want to test any APIs, then you can use this Thunder client. So here you can see, so how we are going to pass the input and how it is going to get the response and all. Now click on this Thunder client here on the left side. Click on this new request. So here you need to provide the URL. See, localhost 114134. Okay. So if you click this one, so here you can see Ollama is running. So this is like get URL. Now I want to take another request. So duplicate. So here, click on this post. Okay, just click on this post from the body. From the body, you need to pass the request. So this is my request. See everything. So whatever you are using in AI, so everything backend, it is an APIs. Okay. Now just type hi here and click on this send. See here. So this is the response. So this is the response. Hello. How can I help you today? Okay. So the same response. So this is the response what front-end team will do. Okay. Or if you built any front-end application, so you're going to take this as the content and you're going to get it displayed in a front-end screen. Okay. Now if you observe here, Just observe carefully. Just I type hi. So another hello. Is there something you are in mind? Okay, let it be. I'll type hello then. So you are going to get the response here. The same thing. Okay, the same thing. If you click once again, okay, if you want to see the proper response, okay, I want to see this as a proper response. Just do Control C and go to any browser. Okay, just go to any browser. So data wave playground. So this is kind of JSON message. So which you want to format it. Okay. Response is like array format. Okay. So now we can see. See payload.message. How can I assist you? How can I assist you? Now even I want to say like message dot content. So this is the response. How can I assist you today? Now I'll go with another message. So what is Gen AI? Okay. So this is my request. So what is Gen AI? So click on this send. So as soon as you are going to provide the input, okay, so it will talk to the LLM models. Okay, so this is LLM model which we are using it, and it is going to provide the response. So it is going to provide the response here. So here it is taking entire response and it is displaying the same. So even if you want kind of prompting kind of stuff, yes, we can make it. So you need to pause the parameters here. Okay, let me take this response and go to the data wave playground. Okay, so where we are going to use it. So I want to format this JSON. Just keep it into an array. So as soon as if you get a response, right? See here payload dot message dot content. See Gen AI short for general artificial intelligence. It is going to refer to a hypothetical AI system. Okay, so this is how it is going to provide the response. So this is how we can call your APIs. Okay, even you can run in local and you can build a chatbot. Okay, so how to build chatbot and all. So we are going to see it in next session. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. If you like this content, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Okay, please do hit on a subscribe button. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.